Hello guys, this is my slime here. My face. Okay, can you see me now? So thumbs down, thumbs up. Okay. So this is my new slime. I added some glitter to it. Can you see the pinkish? Yep. With a knife cutting. Dun dun dun. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, I'm putting the food here. No, not like that. Good. So the slime is like this, and the bottle is so nice. And I put a kitty sticker here, and a nice cap. A girl slime. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And my pan got like this, guys. My pan got a little slime on it. I'm not even going to put the slime on my pan again. Can you hear the sound, guys? Oh my god, look. Okay. And in a bigger table. Wait a second, guys. I think you're on the bubble to do. Just. Oh my god. Oops. Oh my god. It's that. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Just look at me. Oh, what just happened? Oh my god. When I'm stretching this thing. Oh my god. Stay like that. So. Oh my god, guys, can you see me? Oh, that's okay. I'll try it. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, okay. Oh, bubble came. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna show you the bubble. Oh my god, it's not getting up. It got up. Oh no, slime. Okay. I'm gonna do. Yeah. Okay. Try to. Oh my god! Oh my god. Flipped over. And the balloon's falling again. No, my pan's getting slime on it. Oh my god, not again! Okay, good. Oh my god. Okay, it's keep on falling and slipping. Oh my god. I need something dropped it. Oh no! Wait a second. Okay, guys. You know Barbie, right? I did it in a video. Ha! Okay. The slime is in pink color, the pinkest slime color. I think you can see peach, red, or I think is it peach or pinky. I think not seeing it peach. It's showing it like peach. If it's telling peach, it's if you're not able to see it like pink or tell me it's peach or pink. I know it's pink, but you can't see peach or pink because this is baby pink and the light peach slime also like same baby pink. So just tell me in the comments. Oh my god. Ooh. Hi. Oh my god, that's just so cool. Can you hear the sound? Oh my god, guys. The sound. This slime is so cool. It's dripping now. Wait. I'll cover my face. Wow. Oh. God. Oh my god, I just did a bubble and get out. Oh my god, guys. Just look at it. Oh my god. my god, this is so nice. Okay. Kind of place again. Should I do it? Should I do it? I should. You want to make me do that? I'm gonna do it. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. Oh. Yay, look at me. Can you see me? Ha! Oh my god, mommy, bubble juice on. I just did a bubble, guys. My sister only has bubbles to do, but I also did.